She speaks English, yes?
Oh, yeah, very well.
Very well. Hey Sandra, this is tonight's video blog from the life of Hampus. Hampus is a very sweet young man who you are very much in love with. And we are gonna show you Hampus's friends. I'm not one of them, I'm just the host. This is Andreas.
I got a faggot drink, yeah.
This is Sako with the
A faggot drink.
Andreas also got a fag drink.
This is the Big Lebowski.
Yeah, this is Martin. We don't know these people, they're just here.
I'm called the dude.
Yeah, I mean. Hampus, do you like to send a message to Sandra? Yes?
I like very well.
Okay.
Send a message to my
Take the message.
I love you very much.
He loves you.
And I miss you very much.
Han älskar dig. Ser mig.
Så här mycket. And I hope you have a great time and I miss you so
Och
much.
han hoppas du har det jättebra.
Och att du har väldigt kul med dina nya kompisar. Och jag hoppas vi ses snart. Jag vet att vi kommer ses snart, men jag hoppas tiden går fort samtidigt så jag inte vill det.
And I hope to see you soon, very soon. I love you very much. Rabble. And if you don't like Hampus, then you can just get out.